when the Jews returned from Babylon. Where they had atoned for their sins, they came back deeply repentant and even scrupulous in their observance of God's commandments. When they read the law, "You shall not misuse the name of the Lord your God," Exodus 20-7, they understood that they should not use the Lord's name unnecessarily in vain, as the first Greek translators interpreted it. From then on, they no longer used the name Yahweh at all. When they encountered the 4 consonants of the name, only the consonants were written in Hebrew, they pronounced another word, for example, Heaven the Lord. In the time of Jesus Christ, in a religious sense, they only called God Lord, the word that the first Greek translators of the Old Testament used to render the divine name. Well, this was the name that Christians gave to Jesus, because they knew that Jesus is the only begotten Son of God and true God made man. No one can call Jesus Lord. No one can believe in his divinity, except under the action of the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit not only acted upon the 12 at the first Christian Pentecost, but is constantly at work in the church and in the world. Thanks to this action of his, we can have faith. Only under his action can we say to Jesus, "My Lord and my God." John 20:28. There are different gifts, but the same Spirit distributes them. To each one, the manifestation of the Spirit is given for the common good. 1 Corinthians 12-4-7. The Holy Spirit works constantly in all members of the community, granting some gifts and abilities to some and others, according to the mission each one has received from God. But all these gifts are for the good of all.